Hello friends! Do you know what day it is today? Let's find out together. Can you look on the board and see where our pattern ended? We were coloring the squares with shapes in a pattern so that we know which days we've been through, and then that also tells us what day it is today. So let's start. Here is today. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. So let's have a look at our pattern. Orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle. What do you think is next? Orange circle. That's right. So there's my orange marker, and let's put a circle there. Do you like oranges? When I color in this orange circle, it is reminding me of oranges. I love oranges. There is really big oranges, medium-sized oranges. There's even really teeny tiny oranges. Those are pretty sweet tasting. So let's do our pattern one more time. Orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle, purple triangle, orange circle. And it is Thursday. Thursday. So what else do we need to do in our square here? Need to put in the number. If yesterday was 6, what do you think today is? Let's start at the beginning and count all the way up to today, and maybe that will help us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a good guess. So you go across and then down on an angle to the middle there. 7. Let's count and make sure. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you count backwards with me? It's kind of fun. Even if you don't know all your numbers, you can try. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Great job! So if today is Thursday, let's have a look here. There's how many days in a week? Do you remember? Let's count them up quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very nice. So after we determine that today is Thursday, the 7th, now we need to tell what the month is. Do you remember what the month is? What did we say yesterday? Here it is up here. What does it start with? What letter is that? A J. J. It sounds j, like jiggle or jump. J, J. So January. January. Let's spell it. January. Good job. January. How many months are in the year? Do you remember? More than there are days. There are 7 days. And how many months? Should we count them up and see? Start at the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. Let's see if we can remember the names of the 12 months. Start at the top. Try them with me. It's okay if you don't know them all. We'll keep practicing together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. I love it when you try. Okay, so let's figure out the whole date and we'll put it into our sentence here. Today is. So let's see. Thursday, January 7th, 2021. 2021. So our sentence is, today is. So it has 2 words. The first word is today, and the second word is. That's right. So today has a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. So today is Thursday. And we always put a capital on Thursday because it is a day of the week. Thursday. And then I'm going to put a comma. Do you remember the comma? It's a little dot and then a little hook down. And that tells us to pause in our sentence and that something else is coming. So today is Thursday, January. So let's put January here. And we always put a capital letter at the beginning of January as well because it's the name of the month. January. And then the number. What number is that? Do you remember? 7. And then another comma. So we have Thursday, January 7th. What comes next? The year 2021. 2021 and then a period because that is the end of our sentence today. Let's say it together. Today is Thursday, comma, so we'll pause. January 7th, pause for your comma. 2021, period. One more time. Today is Thursday, January 7th, 2021. Good job. So if today is Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday. That's exciting. It's the last day of the work week or school week if you're going to school or going to work. So let us do the weather. So I'm just going to shuffle these up here. Let's see if we can talk about some weather. Okay. I looked outside today, but I didn't really see any sun shining. It was still daytime. It wasn't dark, but not quite as bright as it is with the sun shining. So it's not sunny. What about where you live? What is it like there? Is the sun shining? Is it raining? Do you have raindrops falling from the clouds in the sky? I kind of like the rain, especially the puddles. They're fun to jump in. Partly cloudy. Is the sun out sometimes, but there's some clouds in the sky? What about cloudy? No sun at all? Well, I didn't see any sun, so I'm just going to hang on to that one. The next one is windy, but I didn't see any trees blowing or snow blowing, so it's not really windy. And then the other one is snowy. So the sun wasn't shining, so it was definitely cloudy. But the difference today is it's snowing outside. I love the snow when it's fluffy and snowing down. It is so fun and fresh. And then maybe when it's done snowing, I can go out and make a snowman. So I'm going to put our snowy weather right here. And then I'm going to get my marker. And can you help me find snowy on our weather chart for January? So this is a sun. It's not sunny. It is cloudy, but there's something else going on. So we're going to skip over that. And then this one has a cloud, but there's rain coming down out of it. So it's not raining. And then we have a snowflake. That is fun. That is what's happening today. It is snowing. So I'm going to put a tally mark in this section of the chart so that we can keep track that it snowed today. So I'm going to go to the top and strike it down. Can you do that with me? Put your finger up in the air and just strike it down. That's what I'm going to do for the tally mark here. It's kind of like a 1. Just put your finger up and strike down. So next we're going to do my agenda. Do you remember what the apostrophe S means at the end of my name? It means it belongs to me. We say Slins. So when you say your name with an S at the end of it, that means it's yours with an apostrophe S. Slins. C-E-L-Y-N-N-E apostrophe S. So that tells people that this book belongs to me. So this is my agenda. And we are going to open it up to our day. And you remember yesterday, I wanted to make some banana bread and I was going to share it with my neighbor. So that's what I did. So I've checked it off because I did that yesterday. So I don't have to do it today. And I'm going to do today's date. Do you have your paper with you? We can do this together. If you don't, you can do it later. Let's try print Thursday. So we're going to put a capital T, H, U, R, S, D, A, Y, and then the comma, J, A, N, U, A, R, Y. I ran out of room to put my number there. Again, it seems to be something that I'm doing every day. January 7th. So we'll put a 7 here, and then a comma, and then we want to put the year 2021. 2021. And then I'm going to practice making my numbers. I forgot to do it yesterday, and that's okay. Sometimes that happens. We run out of time, or maybe we just forget. Our mind forgets to remind us to do it. But I think I'm going to just go back and do it right now, if that's okay. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And today we're going to go up to 7 because there's 7 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to draw a snowflake because that's our weather today. Have you ever drawn a snowflake? What does your snowflake look like? Mine kind of looks a little bit messy, but that's okay. Did you know that no two snowflakes look alike? They're all made differently, just like you and me. There isn't two kids or adults alike. We're all different, just like the snowflakes. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a card for my friend because my friend is not feeling very well. So I'm going to make a card and I'm going to go and take it to her. So I'm just going to draw a card because I need to make a card today for her. A rectangle with a line up and then down. And that's my back page. That's the page where I'm going to write things on. And then I'm going to put, I think, a flower on it. Do you think that would be a good idea? Let's put a flower on there. I like drawing flowers. They're happy, they're pretty, and we'll color in the dot a different color. And then I need a stem. There. And then I'm going to print my name on the bottom so that I can practice printing my name every day so I can get really good at it. And then everybody knows that I drew that picture. Now, if you don't know how to print all of these letters yet, you can just practice making a letter. So let's try making an A today. You start at the top and come down. And then you go to the top up here and go down again. And then you cross in the middle there to make these two touch. And that's called a capital A or an uppercase A or a big A. We have lots of names for them. And then we have a lowercase a. You go round in a circle and then make a line. Big A, little a, uppercase A, lowercase a. So it's good to practice every day, do some printing. Yesterday, I was feeling pretty pleasant. Let's see what else we have today. So we have my pleasant face from yesterday. I was calm and just enjoying the day, relaxing. Then we have a sad face. Nobody likes to be sad. It's kind of sad. Then we have an angry face. Are you ever angry? Or maybe just frustrated. You're trying to build a tower maybe and it keeps falling down. Or you can't find a puzzle piece to finish your puzzle, or your crayon broke. There's all kinds of reasons that we would be frustrated or angry or disgruntled. That is also another word that's kind of like angry. And we have a shy face, uneasy, not sure what to do, nervous maybe. And here's a happy face. when everything's going great, you're giggling, you're laughing, you're having a great time. I think today I'm going to pick my sad face. I'm a little bit sad that my friend is not feeling well, so I'm going to make her a card and hope to try to make her feel better. But I'm a little bit sad that she's not feeling well, so I'm going to put my sad face up here for now. And then I'm going to do my kind thing and take her a card so that she can feel better. At least she'll feel a little bit more happy, even if she's not quite feeling better from whatever she is not feeling well with. What would you like to do today? Have you ever given a back massage to your adult? Have they ever given you a back massage? You know what they feel like? They're kind of nice. A lot of adults like to have massages. You could bring them a nice blanket when they're cuddled up on the couch. Oh, you know what would be great? I bet you have a favorite book. Everybody's got a favorite book. Do you think that you could tell your adult the story in your book, even if you don't know what the words say exactly? I bet you've read your book enough times that you may even be able to repeat the sentences in the book without even knowing the words. And if you don't, I bet you can tell your adult what's going on in the book just by looking at the stories. Sometimes adults do all the reading and kids just do all the listening, and sometimes it's nice for the adults to be able to do the listening and for the kid to do the reading. I think that would be a wonderful thing to try today, and I bet it would not only be a kind thing to do, but I bet you your adult might be surprised, and it is nice to surprise people. So I hope you can find something kind and wonderful to do today and make someone happy, and I hope that you have a happy day too, and we'll come together again tomorrow to do our calendar tomorrow. Today is Thursday, so tomorrow will be Friday, and I can't wait to see you. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.